Hello everybody, it is going Nando Tech back at it with another video. In today's video, I put apart a $250 gaming PC. So guys, if you haven't already, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe and tell me what part of this video was your favorite, and yeah, let's get right into it. And guys, just before we get into this, the the price is $13 over 250, but I'm gonna have to call it 250 because it is really good for the money. But I know you can definitely get $13 more just for PC build. And yeah, so the estimated wattage is going to be 142 watts. And let's just get right into it. So for the CPU, I tried to get the best one, which was this AMD Ryzen 3 3200G. This is a quad core processor, which means it will have 4 cores and 8 threads. And right now it's going for $90 on Amazon and 90 on Newegg, which is what I'm supposing. I'm guessing is from Newegg, because on Amazon it is sold out. I guess so. Yeah, its core clock is 3.6 gigahertz and its boost clock is 4 gigahertz. Its core family is a Picasso and it has Radeon 8 Vega. It has Radeon Vega 8 graphics, and this is an APU, guys. Just saying if you didn't notice, because it has integrated graphics. Comes with a really beefy CPU cooler in the box already, and it's Zen Plus micro. Its architecture is Zen Plus, not Zen 2 or Zen, and that's pretty good. Not like no ECC memory supported. AM4 as a socket, and it supports 64 gigabytes of RAM, and it's on this 12 nanometer lithography. Just to say, and it does not support simultaneous multi-threading, which is fine, and it's really good for $90. It's definitely gonna give you over 60 frames on medium settings on games like Fortnite and uh, PUBG and stuff like that if you want to play that. As a motherboard, I tried to go with this MSI A320A Pro Micro ATX AM4 motherboard because it is a really good $50 motherboard from Walmart, I guess, because it's in stock in Walmart. And I mean, it's gonna support up to a Ryzen 9 3950X because it is Ryzen 3000 ready, which is actually really good on AMD's part. And it supports up to 2933 memory speeds, and it's pretty good. And yeah, it supports up to 64 gigabytes of memory, and it doesn't support the fastest memory, but like still. And as the memory, let me actually change that real quick. I didn't really notice that it was not going to be compatible with the same memory, but you can just like get a cheapo 2066 kit, which is still going to be pretty fast for Ryzen, so that's good. But let me just. I'm sorry, it's gonna take. It's really awkward. I didn't know that. But yeah, we can just get like this crucial one. No, I'm kidding. That doesn't even have a heat sink. So yeah, you could probably just get like. I mean, if you guys don't mind, you can get another kit. But I'm gonna go with this crucial one. It's I can't even read that name. Crucial 8 gigabytes. I'm just gonna say that. It's CL19, which is not the fastest, but it is 2666. DDR4 surprisingly, and it's 1x8, which is gonna be good because you can like upgrade it to 16 in the future if you have the money. And yeah, it's actually really good. It's pretty cheap. It's not expensive at all. $34. And for all of our installations, you're gonna have to get this Inland Professional 120 gigabyte store SSD because it is the cheapest SSD at about 21.99 on Amazon, which is $22 basically. And 220 gigabytes is gonna support a couple games, but not that many games. So yeah, I mean it's okay and it has all you will need, and it's pretty cheap. As I said, $22 is not that bad. And for the case, that's gonna be like housing all of these parts is gonna be this CIT F3 Micro ATX Mini Tower case because it is the cheapest one. It's $26. It is purple, which is a really odd color, but it's like okay, I guess, for 25. It'll support our parts, and it's very cheap. And look, this guy put as a budget gamer with the same CPU as me. This is not it's not the same PC as him, but it's pretty nice. And for the thing that's gonna be powering this thing is gonna be the EVGA 400 watt ATX power supply, because it is the cheapest power supply, which is gonna be okay. It's not gonna burn down your house. It is from EVGA, but the only things that I don't like, 400 watts and the ketchup and mustard, but you won't be able to see them because the case is mostly closed. And yeah, it says it works. It's cheap, no problems. Still hasn't blown up yet. Pretty good reviews on here. It's really good for $40. And yeah, oh whoopsies, my bad. And yeah, guys, this if you want to make any like changes, like I guess you can, but like you really can't. And yeah, that's gonna be it for the video, guys. If you haven't enjoyed, if you already haven't, please leave a like, subscribe. I'm on the road to 1,000 subscribers. I have 106. So if you guys don't mind hitting that subscribe button, and I just want to say that this video was recommended to me to make by one of you guys, I'm guessing, and his name is Braulio Ochoa. I'm sorry if I don't put in like his comment, but I'm just saying that he asked to make a $250 gaming PC. So yeah, if you're watching, guys, leave a like, subscribe. That's gonna be it from me. Goodbye.